Are you looking to leverage the power of Magento for your SaaS business? Magento SaaS offers a comprehensive approach to transforming your Magento platform into a powerful SaaS-based system. Magento SaaS is not a traditional software as a service, SaaS e-commerce platform. Instead, it combines the capabilities of Adobe Commerce Cloud with Magento's flexibility, providing a platform as a service, PaaS offering. This means you get cloud-based hosting for Magento applications with automatic scaling, built-in security features, and continuous updates. Moving on to the comparison of Adobe Commerce Cloud, SaaS, to Magento Open Source and Magento Commerce, on-premise. With Adobe Commerce Cloud, everything is fully managed for you on a cloud platform. You don't have to worry about hosting it yourself, unlike with the other two options. It's also highly scalable and handles updates automatically, so you don't need to do them manually like you would with Magento Open Source or on-premise. Adobe Commerce Cloud comes with advanced B2B tools already built in, whereas the other options might require basic or manual setups. Plus, security and performance are enhanced and managed for you, so you won't need to handle that on your own. However, Adobe Commerce Cloud is subscription-based, while Magento Open Source is free, and Magento Commerce on-premise requires license fees plus hosting costs. So, what makes Magento SaaS stand out? For one, it offers cloud-based hosting powered by Amazon Web Services, AWS, providing a scalable and secure environment for your online store. This reduces the need for on-premise infrastructure management. Automatic updates ensure your platform stays current. One of the biggest benefits of Magento SaaS is cost reduction. Its subscription-based model eliminates the hidden costs often associated with self-hosted solutions. Adobe Commerce Cloud also ensures access to the latest features and security patches without the hassle of manual upgrades. Plus, the platform takes care of the underlying infrastructure and software updates. We hope you found our rundown of Magento SaaS insightful. Like this video, share, and subscribe for more professional insights into e-commerce platforms.